Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Marpuri and this is Ashley. My video for today is about a review dito sa oil na to. It's a human nature product which is a natural product and locally made siya. And the reason why I featured this or making a review of this product, it's because I always use this to Ashley. So, ang uses niya is to shine and softens yung skin niya. Now, it also deodorizes and freshens her. Kanina, pinaliguan ko siya around 3 p.m. Now, it's past 5 in the afternoon, dry na yung hair niya, so pwede ko na siyang lagyan ng oil. And since maganda naman yung buhok ni Ashley, hindi naman kakapalan, pero normally itong oil na to, it detangles yung hair nung aso or even cats pala pwede nito. And also, it nourishes the skin at namo-moisturize. As you notice guys, right now, medyo mapula yung skin ni Ashley, lalo na sa tummy part kasi she's at the stage of ma-food trip. PG talaga to si Ashley, lalo na pag nakakalabas siya. Kahit ano-ano na lang kinakain niya sa labas. One time nga nakita ko siya, may nakuha siyang uling, kinakain niya. So, ayun, playful talaga siya. So now, let's see guys, kung paano ko siya i-apply. Hindi ko siya tinitipid. Kaya, kahit talaga manipis lang yung hair niya, mas naging maganda yung result dahil talagang nilalagyan ko siya ng marami every time I bathe her. So, ganyan. Behave my love. So, even yung mukha. Tsaka mabango siya. This is made of sunflower nga pala. And yun, it's not just for dogs, pati na rin cats. Pwede siya. As you can see, mukha siyang greasy I mean, sorry. Pero pag after few minutes na ginamit mo siya or in-apply mo siya, hindi naman siya super greasy talaga. And then, ayun, lagyan pa natin siya ng marami. Lalo na dito sa tummy part dahil nga may rashes siya. And it's not her first time to get a rashes pala. Kasi nga, ayun, malikot talaga siya and mahilig siyang magkakain nga ng hindi niya pagkain. So, pag nag-rashes siya, pinaliguan ko, pag nilagyan ko na ng oil, after 1 to 2 days, natatanggal uli yung reddish sa tummy niya. And I regularly check her body naman kasi ayoko talaga siyang may ticks and anong tawag dito? Garapata ba yun? I don't know it. Ticks and lice. Sorry. Thank you. Tinuruan ako ni JJ. By the way, si JJ nga pala may YouTube channel din. Boss Coco ang name ng YouTube channel niya. So, ito. Malapit na tayo guys na matapos. Medyo malikot na talaga siya. Siguro nagsasawa na siya. Pero it really helps talaga guys. Hindi naman ako masyadong OC sa mga pet. Pero actually, kung tutusin, lagi naman kaming may alaga, either aso or pusa, but this is the first time na talagang talagang inaalagaan na namin sila. Like for example, we go to the vet for her deworming and then di pa siya nagkakaroon ng vaccine, pero ang next schedule niya is May 2 or 3 yata if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun. I hope na matanggal agad yung rashes niya. Good thing nga na di naman naglalagas yung hair niya compared sa ibang aso na talagang makakapal yung buhok. So, ayun. As you can see, medyo, yun na nga, may pagka-oily na yung body niya. Pero, the more I observe her, talagang maganda yung result ng product na to. And hindi lang naman yan yung product na ginagamit ko from Human Nature. I also buy beauty products from them and a lot more. So, i-promote ko na rin guys, if in case you are interested to buy Human Nature products, you can also check my description box below kasi ilalagay ko yung link ko doon. So, ayun. And if you have some questions, please feel free to comment down below. So, ayun. And also, yun, si Ashley is a Aspin Labrador ang breed niya. And she's female. So, ayan guys. I hope you like my video for today. And I hope you learned from this. Especially yung mga fur moms and dads. So, ayan. Ito po. 4-in-1 Natural Sunshine Serum. No harmful chemicals siya. And silicone free, mineral oil free, and paraben free. So, ayan. If you wanna check more about the information of this product, you can also search it through Google. And they do have Facebook page as well. So, Human Nature. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and even share. And press the notification bell for you to be updated of my latest videos. Bye! See you!